Life has a funny way of throwing curveballs, doesn't it? People, situations, they all try to pull the strings, to make you react, to make you bend to their will. But here's the thing, you don't have to dance to anyone else's tune. You don't have to let the world dictate your emotions or actions. The moment you allow people or situations to control you, you hand over your power. You let someone else decide your mood, your peace, your destiny. Someone makes a snide comment, and suddenly your day is ruined. A setback happens, and you're ready to give up. Why? Because you've allowed external forces to control your internal world. You have to understand, control is a choice. People can say or do whatever they want. Situations can fall apart. But how you respond, that's entirely up to you. It's not about suppressing emotions, it's about mastering them. The world will test you, but only you can decide whether you're going to pass or fail that test. You can be the puppet, or you can be the puppet master. It's your call. Don't give people the power to push your buttons. They don't deserve that kind of control over you. Don't let situations drag you into chaos. Keep your center. Stay grounded. It's easy to react, but it takes strength to stay calm in the storm. And when you do that, when you take back control, you become unstoppable. Because when you refuse to be controlled by anything or anyone, you become the one in control. You decide the direction of your life. You set the terms. And there's nothing more powerful than a person who knows they control their own fate. Now, if you're tired of being pushed around by life and you're ready to be the one calling the shots, subscribe to the channel. Because it's time to take control. And trust me, you're the only one who can do it.